Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel.
Ooh.
Today we are eating one of our favorites. This is a food mukbang. I love seafood a lot, guys. And this particular one is extra spicy.
And mommy, is there potatoes?
Look at it. Yeah, there's potatoes, there's everything.
That's so yummy.
Ooh.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's dripping.
Oh my god.
That's crab legs.
Yeah. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Wait, Bright, wait.
Look
You know
at
it has a
you.
lot of spice, so you have to be careful.
We can handle spicy like the spicy noodles.
Ooh.
Would you barely
Yeah.
eat spice?
My kiss is a lot of spice. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is really spicy.
No,
My kids love spicy food a lot. We're gonna take this one.
Watch this. It's very sweet.
That's shrimps. I love it. Tracy, that spice is a lot for you. So guys, as we watch, we didn't get an extra plate for let's get extra plate for the
Bro.
Lots of spicy in my tummy.
We're going to be doing some Igbo challenge. Can you guys introduce yourself? My kids knows how to speak Igbo. You guys know how to speak Igbo,
Right,
right?
Tracy?
Okay, let's introduce ourselves. Let me start from myself. We're gonna say our name and where we are from. So let me start. In Igbo, please, if you don't understand Igbo, I'm sorry. This is kind of an Igbo challenge. So let me start with myself. Afambo Kelechi of Kelechi TV. No. Afambo Kelechi nke Kelechi TV. Abumonye Nigeria, African American though. Nice to meet you. I love you young. So introduce yourself.
Afambo Obianoju Ubufonye African American.
You say it again. I don't hear me.
Afambo Obianoju Ubufonye African American.
Okay. Tracy,
Apple Tracy.
what did you say?
Apple Tracy. I water.
Can you finish up?
African Nigeria.
African Nigeria. Is that where you're from?
I'm from, I don't know. I'm from Nigeria.
Corn.
More water.
Mommy, the crab
Look
is
at her.
coming out.
Oh, don't worry, I got it. Look at how dirty the cup is already.
Oh, I need water. I need water. This is too spicy. This is the first time.
Give Ugonna. I told you guys not to lick the spice a lot.
You can lick the spice, it's just on it.
Just bite it. We don't even.
Okay. Right, introduce yourself.
I was going to take that. I didn't know.
Okay, take this one. Take this one. Take this one. See how you guys are eating spice. Do you know that this kiss is a lot of spice? But when I use it to cook, they'll tell me, Mommy, it's spicy, I don't eat spice. But when it's seafood, you will see them rushing it like it's not spicy. Let me catch any of you again that say my food is spicy. Because you will eat seafood that is extra spicy. And when I cook, you say it's spicy. Gosh, I'm enjoying this. This is yummy. Go introduce yourself.
I'm from Kristen. I'm from Nigeria.
Good. Bright, be careful. Tracy, that one is not your age. Eat the crabs. This one is for mommy.
So this we get this.
So go and get more cups. Get those plastic cups your godmother bought for you.
Who are too tiny? Let me wash my hands.
Oh guys, seafood is one of my favorites.
Yeah?
I'm getting
But
more
there was
water.
chilies. There was chilies.
One of. Did I choose my own?
I'm getting more water.
Watch I'm eating one. That's really spicy. Oh my god.
Bang. Oh, the
Yes.
bang. Yes.
This is really yummy. I love it. It's spicy and yummy.
Of course it's yummy, mommy.
Do you like it?
Yes. Is this another one?
This one and the one they sell in HEB. Which one do you prefer?
HB.
This one.
I prefer
HEB.
this one.
Me
Why?
too. Sweeter than the HB.
I like HB.
You just said HEB right now. Well, I choose HEB, not say HEB.
I said this one.
Woo!
Hey.
Woo!
Oh,
I'm gonna
we.
eat this one.
Oh, yeah.
No, mommy, those are my favorites one, and I don't want it.
It's okay. It's the only one corn that they put for us.
Yes, and I'm eating it all.
And I told them to put extra. No, Bright, don't eat this one. Eat this one. So, if I speak Igbo, you guys will repeat after me.
Okay.
Bright, did you introduce yourself? Now, Bright, introduce yourself.
Bright.
No, Afambo Bright. Abumoyo.
Apple Tracy.
Trouble for me, Nigeria.
Apple Bright.
Mm-hmm.
Apple Tracy.
Abumoye. What is it? Water.
You guys are not eating the tail, the whole thing, not even the shell. Nice, I'm eating the whole thing.
Yeah, I eat the whole thing too. I like it. Oh, you think I'm gonna be opening for you?
Look mine.
Ooh, this is so yummy.
Better than HEB.
Who orders spicy? Spicy.
If it's not spicy, you won't enjoy it. Seafood are better with spice.
But okay, they just put a little spice. Does it have to be this spicy?
It has to be this spicy one.
Okay.
This small.
If I'm working there and they come to order, I'll put extra spicy, even though this is spicy.
So why would you put extra spicy?
Look at what they did to us.
Well, you're not the one that when you were saying extra spicy.
I didn't say that.
You didn't know it was gonna be this
Oh, I didn't
spicy.
say that.
So this is extra spicy.
If I was a
I didn't say I wanted. You just said we're getting extra spicy.
they say extra spicy. I'll not give them extra spicy. I'll give them spicy.
But what if they ask you to give them extra spicy? You have to give your customer what they requested, not what you want. So thank you guys for watching. We have come to the end of this video. Ooh.
Subscribe, like, and get notifications for every video we make that's new. And
Ding ding ding.
it'll be up there in the subscribe section. And comment down below.
Thank you.
And
See what my kids
I'm
did.
gonna give you 3 seconds
Just see
to
what
subscribe.
they did.
And break the subscribe. We're gonna give you 3 seconds to subscribe. 1, 2, 3. Subscribe!
Yay!
Smash the like button.
Bye. We finished the seafood.